Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a real life problem. Let me show you the data we have. We have two tables. One is the ID table. On the ID table we have 6 IDs, and for some IDs we have parents. So for B we have a parent ID A that is in the ID here as well. Why we have parents? Because on the shipping table we have only the ID that are parents. Like, so for example, A shipping for A is $4. Shipping for B will be $4 because his parent is A. The same thing for C. So how to deal with it on Power BI? We have a relationship table that is made, that is table ID. We have the relationship from ID to ID. Let's create a table, and on the table ID we take ID, parent and price. When we add shipping, you can see that we have only shipping data for A and D, but we need shipping data for all of them. How to deal with it? Let me show you two ways. Let's go with the first one first. Go to the data view, and on a table we can create a new column, that is shipping cost equal to lookup value. Our result will be shipping from the shipping table. Our search column will be shipping table ID, and our search value will be ID table ID. Same thing happens, it only gives you the result for IDs which have the value in the shipping table. Now if we look it up by the parent, what does it happen? It gives you the result for only the parents, and those are blank. So we need to combine both of them and then get the result. So how to deal with it? Let's change it to ID again. Okay, we given a if condition. If the lookup value for ID, we can check and see if we have any result here, then we get the result. And if we don't have any result, we get result from the parent. What it essentially means, it means we'll check the lookup value for ID of our ID table. If we have any result here, we will get the ID table ID shipping, and if we don't have any result here, we will get this one. Press OK and see we have the shipping cost for everyone. Now you can easily get the shipping cost here on our existing table, and you can see that all of them has the shipping cost. So this is one method. You can use that one for sure. But let me show you a second method. I'm going to delete, or actually I don't have to delete it, we can keep that. No, I'm going to delete it because you will understand in a second. Now we will go to the table ID edit query, we create a new column here. It will be temp ID. If parent equal to null, then ID, else parent. It gives you a temporary ID where we have parent value null. That means this is the parent and it is fetching it from the ID. Other than that, it is keeping the parent ID. Now we will be merging queries. Merge queries. Let's go to shipping. We select the temp ID here. We'll match it with the ID from the shipping. Left outer is fine, and press OK. We have to expand the table. We only need the shipping value and we don't need the original column name as prefix. That's it, we have the shipping, and now we don't need the temp ID, so we remove that column. Also, for shipping, as we have the shipping data in our ID table, so we don't need the shipping table here, so we can disable the load for that, and that's it. What it does, it gives you less tables in your data model. In that way, it's easier to maintain, and you have the shipping data here. These are the two methods you can fetch data. Whatever is useful for you, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Please like my channel video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.